This presentation is for JUS 331. This presentation is on inclusion of criminal justice processes. So some of the questions are, what are the elements of inclusion? So the definition of inclusion is the opportunity for direct and active involvement of each party in the procedures that follow a crime. The elements of inclusion are invitation, recognition, acceptance of interests of persons invited, willingness to adopt alternative approaches that fit the individuals and their situations. Why is this important? These are all very important because of how they impact victims and give them direct information as well as involvement and allow them to understand as well as be a part of these things. In what ways are victims currently included in the criminal justice process? Some of the ways victims are included throughout the criminal justice process are when it comes to the victims and them being a part of the criminal justice process is being only limited to being a witness for the prosecution. So with that being said, the victims wanted to play more of a part, which led the victim rights movements and a number of other programs and reforms that have been going on since the 1970s. There are three other ways that victims can be included into the criminal justice system. The first one is good for victims that want to be involved but are scared, which is being given information about what is going on throughout the case. The second one is good for the victims that also want to be involved. They can observe the proceedings as spectators or they can be possibly called as witnesses. The third one is to allow them to make a formal presentation at sentencing through a victim impact statement. These are all very big ways that victims are involved within the criminal justice process. All of my cites are from the reading, specifically from the book. Thank you.